Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So as we all know that there is very sad news for us, MS Dhoni sir has got retired from international cricket, and what I have heard that he will be playing IPL for now. So at least that is good thing. At least we will be able to see him on the field. So when IPL will start.
Yes, so, that is a very sad news for all the Dhoni lovers, for basically Indians, because he is a legend. Okay, he has a lot of contribution towards our country, and he is a big name.
Yes,
yeah, MS Dhoni.
He have achieved a lot.
He has achieved a lot.
After when he came into Indian team, after that India team, or you can say Indians have achieved many things.
Level has got increased actually. India team level, and also a lot of inspirations and motivational contents are there, which can be created, or people have learned from him.
He has motivated a lot with different things, like how from zero to reach to high level to that level wherever he has reached right now.
Anyone can dream for, right? Yes. And yes, he is a big name. His name is a big name in this country, entire country, and
not within the country,
world
but
also.
Over all the world. He is too much famous. His lover is throughout the world.
Correct. He is a pride actually. So Abhay was also very sad actually from yesterday onwards, and I am also very sad because a legend, we are not able to see him on the field. That is a very heartbreaking and heart-wrenching thing.
Exactly. But that is very disheartening for us also. We were not expecting that this time he will get retired.
Yes, that is actually. So what to do? This is the nature, life, or rules of social thing and everything. We cannot get rid of this, and we thought, okay, let's give our reaction on the tribute to our captain. Okay, so yes, let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the notification bell. So chalo shuru karte hain.
One of the best captain we have, and we should respect that.
He's extremely calm. He's positive.
Fantastic personality of remaining calm.
Remaining calm.
Mr. Cool.
Very calm, very simple.
He's very cool, man. I love him.
I'm a huge MS Dhoni fan.
Like millions of Indians.
Well, I would like to keep it very simple. I play cricket. All my devotion is towards cricket.
Life is all about go through the difficult periods, fight it out, but if you can do it with a smile.
He's the pride of a nation.
Of course.
May I come in?
Like a force, when you draw near, you won't see it coming. Bang, bang, I'm in motion.
இல்ல பத்தல இன்னும் மாசா
Okay, that style. Vijay sir's style, I think.
Yes.
Boss, the number music irukla. Start the whistles.
தோனிக்காக தான் நான் மேட்சை பார்க்குறேன்.
தோனி இருந்தால் ஜெயிச்சிடலாம்.
ஒரு மனுஷனுக்காக தான் மேட்சை பார்க்குறது.
எல்லாம் தோனி எல்லாம் கிரிக்கெட்டே பார்க்கறது.
இதே சச்சின் இடத்த நிரப்பியிருக்காருன்னா அது தோனி தான். யங் பிளேயர்ஸோட இன்னும் ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக ஓடுறாரு. தோனி தான் இருந்தாங்க.
Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award.
A lot of things, right?
தோனி தான் என்னோட லைஃபு.
இந்திய கிரிக்கெட் ஜாம்பவான்களின் ஒருவரும் தமிழக கிரிக்கெட் ரசிகர்களால் தலை என்று போற்றப்படுவருமான தோனி ஓய்வை அறிவித்துள்ளார்.
கூட்டம் சேர்த்தவன் எல்லாம் ஜெயிக்க முடியாதுன்னு சொன்னேன் இல்ல, உண்மைதான். ஆனா என்கிட்ட இருக்கிற கூட்டம் நான் சேர்த்த கூட்டம் இல்ல, அன்பால தானா சேர்ந்த கூட்டம். எந்த தனி சாம்ராஜ்யம், அன்பு சாம்ராஜ்யம். அடிக்க முடியாது.
Okay. So we found we searched for a lot of the contents for tribute
this
to
one is
MS
the
Dhoni.
coolest.
This one I feel like it was good, so we started. We thought let's give our reaction on this particular video.
It is having a lot of emotions and
and all the legends, whatever the legends we have right now, they are also praising to MS Dhoni sir. So that is really great.
And what I like to say, like this 2020 is the a demon year. Okay, right. Everything is going on bad way only. Right. Okay, Dhoni sir is getting retired, and then Suresh Raina sir, both of them are very good players, as well as the real life Dhoni, who is Sushant Singh Rajput. He's also no more, and lot of bad things are happening.
Right. I don't know what all we will be able to see in this 2020.
Okay, so we are actually feeling very unhappy and sad that this is not the right time to leave Indian cricket team, because we want to see him on the field for some more years. Okay, but why this decision is taken?
Too much silent quit, you can say.
Silent quit, yes, that is what actually.
There should be a big game for him, because he has done a lot of for our cricket.
Correct.
He has achieved a lot of trophies. He has achieved everything.
Padma Bhushan, he is Padma Shri, man. So he
I think he is
achieving a great
Lieutenant Colonel also.
Yes. Yeah. So why I am not getting that, and if you have any information regarding that, definitely feel free to comment down in the comment section. We would like to
actually
see
I think like there might not be such a big game right now. Anybody is not sure that when it will be going to happen, any one day game or T20 game. So I
because
think
of this pandemic situation also is going on, that is also very bad. It's going on. So yes, our heart is now filled with griefs.
Yes.
But still we have to go on. We have to obey whatever is going on. We have to रास्ता जो है वो चलना ही पड़ेगा.
Exactly. And he has given a lot of the inspiration to all. So I think
millions.
So we have to take that inspiration from him, and we should go ahead. I think we should follow that path also, right?
So that positivity we have to carry, and we have to go on in our life, that yes, whatever has happened now, I think it is not in a good way happening, but we have to think that जो भगवान करते हैं अच्छे के लिए करते हैं, and we have to think that and go on. We don't have any other option on our hands.
Good thing I see, like he is silent, but still his mind works so well.
He is a very silent,
too much of
calm
pressure also. Everybody speaks that that's why everybody tells that he's Captain Cool. Because whatever the pressure and all every captain's faces, he doesn't show on his face generally.
Yes.
That is very good. And also I think everybody should learn also. You have pressure, you have a lot of the things going on around you, but still stay calm, stay focused, then you will win.
You'll achieve, and you will be winning the match or game, whatever it is.
Yes.
Okay, so it is applicable for any field. That is what I'm saying actually. Yes, so he is a very inspirational person, and may God bless him. Okay, I think now he can give more time to the family. Okay, that is a very cool thing and very good thing. We actually क्या करें, यही समझ के अपने दिल को एक करना है ना, शांत करना है. हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We don't have any other option. I'm telling you. So yes, that is a very
it's
sad
not only inspiration for million, but he is also the emotion for everybody.
Correct.
Who loves him. Yes.
We all love him, Dhoni sir, and yes, we'll miss you a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's video. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes. So the first comment for today is from SP Srithines, and he is writing his comment on a post we have shared for MS Dhoni sir while he is retiring. So that on that post only he is writing that miss you Thala Dhoni, but waiting for IPL CSK. So yes, we are also waiting to see him on the field in IPL.
Definitely. And yeah, thank you so much for your comment and for watching our videos.
Yeah.
So the second comment for today's video is from Boxer Yasi, and he's commenting on Thala Ajit 28 years of Ajitism video, and he's commenting, please react English movie Ajit guest role scene. I will promise you there was a different Thala.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, English mein
actually we thought of that one, but still we have 2 more copyright strikes, so we are preventing a lot of the scenes to give a reaction. So let's see if we get good one, like if we don't get any copyright strike, we don't have any suspicion on that, then surely we are going to do a reaction.
Yes, definitely. So we have seen already that Thala Ajit sir is there in the English
that
movie airplane scene, and also he was talking, I think some a motivational kind of thing to Sridevi ma'am. Matlab, that scene only, I couldn't understand that much what he was telling, but it was looking like he is telling something very positive and stay calm, everything will be okay. This kind of dialogues delivery were there. We saw that long ago. So definitely we will be doing the video if that is safe because we have 2 more copyright strikes, so you can definitely understand our situation. So yeah, thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So the third comment for today's video is from Talapati Varian, and he is commenting, Thala Dhoni tribute video please. I am proud to be a Thala Dhoni fan. Yes, definitely we are also Thala Dhoni fan, and we are very proud of him, definitely. And yes, this video is for you. Please see this video and give it a thumbs up. And yeah, thank you so much for commenting and for watching our video. So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers, who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. And please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.